What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to cover the most incredible year that we've had here on Sharpmoves. Everything from car reviews to food vlogs to POV drives, you name it, we've done it. And we've had a lot of fun along the way as well. This year the channel's seen a lot of good growth. We just got over the 200,000 view mark, putting us at about 201,000 views for the year. And 340 new subscribers for the year, which is huge. We're just now at 2702 in terms of subscribers. Strap yourselves in, because in this video I'm going to highlight everything we've done for the last 365 days on this channel. And to show you guys how grateful I am for you subscribing to this channel, I'm giving away a $100 gift card, Apple gift card, to one lucky subscriber. All you need to do is comment on the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. First segment, car reviews. I've been really fortunate enough to experience lots of different cars, high-end cars, luxury cars, sports cars. Let's take a look at what I've done this year. Alright guys, welcome back to Sharpmoves. We're going to take a look at the exterior, we're going to go through all the interior, and then we're going to take it for a little drive and see just how it drives. Everything is nice and digital, everything's nice and clear, the colors are very robust. And are they touchscreen? Yes, they're touchscreen.
F-150 launch. Here we go.
So one of the really cool things about this car is the design, right? So you get this nice, big sort of honeycomb look, all blacked out. This one features the S-Line composition package. So the stars are all, Sorry!
I get all these pedestrians walking by looking at me like I'm some sort of goofball here, just doing a little review. Sorry about that. My bad.
I'm in year 2 with my Mercedes C63S, which has just been absolutely amazing to live with. All the experiences of living with it day to day I've cataloged and brought to you. Let's take a look at all the cool little things that I've done with the C63 AMG this year.
Mercedes-Benz C63. This is the S version, and it's in the coupe form. Without further ado, I'll start it up and give you a few nasty revs of this bad boy, okay?
Like every year, there's always ups and downs and all arounds, but today I want to look at the highlights from 2023. Let's take a look. YouTube is tons of fun. So much goes on behind the scenes, and really all you guys see is the finished product. Let's do a little highlight reel of all the bloopers and fun little stupid things that happen behind the scenes this year.
The old bump and run worked for a change. It worked. I thought for sure I was going to hit a tree and it was going to come back and hit me in the nuts, but it worked this time. Third shot.
So there it is, guys. 2023 is in our rearview mirror. Let's start looking ahead to 2024. Let's grow the channel. We're looking at 5,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this year. Got lots of new content coming for you guys. A lot of cool, quirky, sort of new things to keep you guys sort of entertained. Let's continue to grow the channel. As I said before, I love my subscribers. Really grateful for all of you guys. And as a way of giving back, this channel is obviously not Mr. Beast level. So drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys are thinking, new ideas for content. Just say hi, Happy New Year, whatever you like. But drop me a comment in the comments below, and I'll enter you into the competition to win this $100 gift card. Thanks again, guys. It's been such an epic year. Let's continue to do it. Let's keep doing it. I absolutely love what I do. So much fun. Such a fun little hobby. Let's get after it, man. 2024, here we come. Let's go.